Investing in yacht shares traditionally means sending money to a company's bank account. You have to trust that the company won't disappear with your funds. At yachtfi.io, we have replaced trust in people with trust in technology. The heart of our project is a smart contract. Think of it as a digital notary that never sleeps. It is an agreement written in computer code. It is smart because it enforces itself automatically. Once the rules are set, no one, not even us, can change them. The mechanism is simple. You buy shares using USDT, a digital dollar. The rule is strict. 1 USDT equals 1 equity token. The moment you send the funds, the contract instantly sends the digital proof of ownership directly to your wallet. This is where real safety begins. Your funds do not go to our private bank account. They go directly into the smart contract, which acts like a transparent glass vault. Even the Yacht.fi team cannot touch them. They are locked by the code. The contract only releases funds at specific milestones. First, only when we reach 10% of the target, it releases the exact amount for the shipyard down payment. The rest remains locked until we raise 100% to finalize the purchase. What if the fundraising goal isn't met? In traditional business, you would wait months for a refund. Here, the code guarantees it. If we don't reach the target, the refund function activates automatically. You simply click and claim your funds back instantly. Best of all, our smart contract is public. Anyone can check exactly how much money is in the vault at any time. With YachtFi, your capital is protected by mathematics, not just promises. Invest with confidence. Go to yachtfi.io, become yacht owner, and earn on charters.